Good morning, guys. Happy day 2 on board the Disney Fantasy. What are we doing today, babe?
We are headed to Palo. Our reservation's at 10 o'clock. It is 9:50 at the moment, and we're gonna go eat a bunch of yummy food for brunch.
After Palo, we do have a Rainforest Spa reservation, and I can't wait to just kick back and relax and probably fall asleep in one of those tubs there.
We'll see you at brunch.
Bye!
Welcome to Palo.
Thank you. Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
Here is the seafood plate. It looks like we've got some Alaskan king crab, some shrimp, some tuna, a mussel, and a lobster claw. Sean also ordered the same thing.
So you will have some piscine, lavash, it says in the sea, with sun-dried tomato, Mediterranean style, and with
Thank you. So this plate was so good that we ordered seconds. Here's the tomato soup. Here is the flatbread Sean ordered. Alright, so here is the penne pasta. Looks so good. I always order this when we come to Palo. And then Sean got the
Stuffed Parmesan chicken.
stuffed Parmesan chicken. So here is this pistachio cake and Sean's chocolate fondue.
So brunch was great. We were really stuffed, and we're probably gonna go back to the room and take a nap. Picture of Remy, which ironically is where Remy is. On the other side of Palo.
Alright, so we're back in our stateroom, and it looks like our stateroom host already cleaned our room for us and made our bed. We were so grateful for them. I'm not sure if it's like this for every cruise line, but on Disney cruises they clean your room twice. So once in morning, afternoon time, and then they also do like a turn down evening service, which is pretty neat. Palo Brunch was delicious. I missed when they had like a buffet breakfast though, but what they offered was still a pretty good comparison in value. What did you think, love?
I liked it. The food was still great, but yeah, I missed the buffet and some of the sweets that used to come in the buffet.
Yeah. I thought it was really cool to see Alaskan king crab on the menu. It felt weird for me to eat it with like a fork and a knife. I'm used to eating it with my hands. We're from Alaska, so you know, we just dig in and just eat it with our hands. But right now I think we're just gonna kick back and chill until we go to the spa. So our spa session is at 2 p.m. and we cannot wait to take you along that relaxation process.
So it's 1:50 and our spa appointment's at 2 o'clock. We're gonna go check it out, and we're there for about an hour 45 minutes all to ourselves.
Yay!
We'll see you down there. Heading down to the spa, which is right downstairs.
These are your rest wraps should you need the restrooms. Ladies that side, gents that side. And then you're familiar with the area inside? Yes. Okay, perfect. Should you need anything, we'll be in the front. Okay. We'll give you a heads up about 5 minutes before your time's up, just in case you dozed off.
Okay.
Thank you.
This whole place to ourselves for an hour and 45 minutes. It is $174 plus taxes and gratuities, and we're in heaven. So they have 4 different shower experiences. There's the Rainforest, Water Fun, Tropical Thunder, and the Cool Mist experience. But they all have 3 different shower types. Some of them are cold water rainfalls, Some of them are tropical warm rainfalls, and those are my favorite ones. So this room has the Loconium. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is the one that has the nice, beautiful view of the sea. It is nice and toasty in there. It looks like it's usually between 107 and 118 degrees, and they do recommend a max time of 10 minutes in that room. This room is the Caldarium. This one's temperature is between 104 and 122 degrees, and the max time is 15 minutes. And then the Hammam room, the temperature is 104 degrees to 113 degrees with a max recommendation time of 15 minutes. And this is the one that Sean's in there right now. He's waving, I don't know if you can see. But oh my gosh, you guys, this is absolutely worth it to have all to yourselves for a couple of hours. Let me show you a close-up of the different rainfalls here. So in the rainforest shower, they have the waterfall as well as warm rain in Nelp. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but let's show you the waterfall. I haven't been able to get that one to work, but I know the warm rain one works, so let me show you that. It feels like a massage. There's that. And then in the water fun room, the 3 different showers are Atlantic Ocean, Caribbean Storm, and Mediterranean Rain. In the Tropical Thunder shower, we have Tropical Rain, a Cold Mist, and Southern Storm. And then in the Cool Mist experience, we have a Cold Mist and Siberian Night. So both of those sound frigid, so I probably won't be trying them on this trip. Here's the entrance. We've got this beautiful waterfall, and they provided us with ice water and lemon water. We have a nice array of towels there, as well as robes and slippers. All right, here is where they have the ceramic loungers. They are so comfortable and they are heated. So we've got 5 on this side and then another 5 on the other side. And then this is my favorite room because you have the most beautiful view of the ocean. This is where they have 2 of these tubs. I believe they could fit 2 to 3 people, and just watch the ocean go by. So pretty. It's a nice toasty day here in the Bahamas. Let's go see what Sean is doing. Darling, where are you? Maybe he's in here still. Oh, he is still in here. I was like, where did he go? Because earlier he was sitting on this side. How are you, babe?
Good. So we're all done with the rainforest, and they're already starting to clean. We didn't make too big of a mess. If we did, it's all Lynn's fault.
It is not. Nothing but beautiful blue water, blue skies, a little bit of clouds. Absolutely perfect. Hi guys. So we had such a relaxing day at the spa. It was like the perfect amount of time. So we just got done freshening up and we actually decided to order room service. Looking at the menu for the room service, it looks exactly like the same menu that's upstairs for like the Flo's V8 Cafe. It's because we saw like the New York steak panini, which is something I ordered. They also had like hot dog on there,
Chicken tenders,
pizzas,
cheeseburgers, hamburgers, big kidsy stuff too.
Yeah, and Sean just informed me that for gratuities they're doing something a little bit different now. So you want to explain that, babe?
Instead of giving them cash, they're just sending the gratuities over your app so that you can add gratuities if you'd like to. So pretty much cashless.
I think that's great because I know for a lot of people sometimes they don't bring enough cash to express their gratitude. So I think this is a great way to be able to prepare for wanting to reward somebody for hard work. So yeah, he was telling me that at Palo, he didn't sign anything while we were at Palo, but a notification popped up on our Disney Cruise app showing what we had ordered and if we would like to add gratuity there. So I think we might watch Frozen tonight. It just depends on like how quickly the food gets here and how fast we can eat it. But if we don't see it tonight, that's okay because they're playing it tomorrow night anyway. And then on the fourth night is when we plan to go watch Believe, since we didn't see it last night. But we're having such a relaxing time here on the Disney Fantasy, and we're so grateful that you guys are joining in on our anniversary celebration. So we'll see you guys in a little bit when the food gets here. All right, so here is our tray of food. Sean's gonna do unboxing for us. Boom, there we go. We've got the chicken tenders with a barbecue sauce and ketchup. And then boom, there's the hot dog. Let's see what's underneath this plate. Ooh, there we go, margarita pizza. And then last but not least, here is that New York steak panini. And it looks like it's served with some potato chips. And then we have additional condiments here. It looks like mayo, mustard, ketchup, and a side of ranch. Most of the items on the room service menu is included with your fare already. There are some items there that require an additional charge, and that's usually like M&Ms, canned sodas, alcohol,
and some specialty items.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and eat, and we'll check back in with you guys shortly. All right, so here is our room service. You just tap on add tip, and then this automatically pops up and you can add the gratuity. So they already have preset amounts, $3, $5, $8. You can also choose none if you wish, or you could choose custom. So I'm going to add $6. Done. And then you just confirm, and then you just enter in your purchase pin. That way the gratuity can be added. All right, we're out of our room. We're chilling in the concierge lounge. Sean got some dessert. Oh no! Oh, we got popcorn. Andy, do you want to be in our vlog?
Of course!
Yes!
You know?
Here's Andy!
Hello! How we doing? Greetings from the fantasy! I love it! Yay!
And we have Rosa over there. Alright, we've got a friend here. This is Jeffrey. He's from the Philippines too. So he brought us an espresso shot. Sean got a glass of milk for his dessert. We're having dessert a little bit early. Right now it's only what, like 6?
Yeah, 6 o'clock.
So it's only 6 p.m. right now. We're probably gonna hang out here and then go explore the ship a little bit more until our actual dinner at 8 p.m. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. So our concierge hosts are Ropa, Andy, and Ashley. We met Andy and Ashley the first time that we sailed concierge, which was December 2018, so we were so happy to see them on board again. So if you're sailing on a Disney cruise and a brand new Disney movie comes out, you'll be able to see it at midnight here on board. So today they have Shang-Chi and Jungle Cruise. Oh, we got pictures uploaded now. How exciting. Looks like we have 48 so far. So at the end of your cruise, you do receive a USB with all of the photos, but you can also download them. So you're gonna go to this website here and enter your access code, and then you can download it and not have to worry about syncing up to like a computer. So ta-da, so far we've taken 48 pictures. It's so nice and quiet. Look at the beautiful chandelier. So let's show you the statue. Here is Minnie Mouse. Doesn't she look so dapper? Ah. So there's Minnie. That's where Royal Court is. And then here is the pumpkin tree. It looks so cool. And when we boarded the ship, we actually boarded through these doors here. How beautiful is this Beauty and the Beast castle picture? It is nice and quiet on deck 4. I think everyone's at dinner right now, actually, dinner or watching the show, so the ship feels pretty quiet. We're just enjoying it, walking around and exploring. You could play shuffle here. I think that's what it's called. Is that what it's called, Vin? Right now we're just walking to dinner. We're eating at Animator's Palate tonight. Oh, so pretty. So dinner tonight is at Animator. Do you want to be in our vlog? On YouTube? Yay! Okay. Here is our friend.
What's up, dude?
Where are you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Taking care of all the little kids.
When you guys sail on a Disney cruise, come see Stacy. Stacy from Jamaica. How cute is this little napkin? So Animator's Palate is actually one of our favorite restaurants on Disney cruises. And so they have these screens all over the restaurant. And I love the Mickey Mouse chairs. Like, I want to get some from our kitchen. Alright guys, here is our server. This is Eduardo. He is from Mexico.
Buenas noches.
He takes really good care of us. So when you sail on a Disney cruise, ask for Eduardo and Stacy. They make a great team. Alright, here is the menu for tonight. As far as appetizers go, I think I'm going to get the pasta per sets. And then for the main course, I don't know, you guys. The pasta sounds good to me, and the chicken breast sounds good to me, so we shall see. Alright, so here is our appetizer. We ordered the pasta. Sean also got the same thing. It's basically a staple every time we eat here. Crush is out. Hello, dude. Here is our soup, and Sean ordered the same thing. Alright, so here is my bolognese, and Sean got the pork chop. Cheers, babe. Oh my god, you guys, I got a spider. How cute is he?
Halloween. It's Halloween night.
Oh, okay. Perfect for Halloween night here on the cruise. Sean got some vanilla bean ice cream and the
Does that
cheesecake.
spider only have 7 legs?
I ate one of the legs already. Just kidding. Perfectly imperfect.
How was dinner, love?
Amazing, per usual.
Our towel animal tonight looks to be a pig. Maybe it's Piglet. And a couple more Dove bars. Hope you guys enjoyed the fireworks. We got a long day tomorrow. We're going to be hitting Castaway Cay and we're going to get our cabana, and we'll tell you more about it tomorrow. So have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Good night. Bye.
So it's hot. How's it, honey?
That one's too intense.
Everyone say hello, Dory.
Hello, Dory.
Oh, Crush, I'm not really comfortable with this.
Why not?
I don't know anything about talking to humans.
Oh, I can speak human.